Hello everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp lecture. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you all the basics of the Apple Watch app. So first, open the Watch app. Now that you've done that, it's going to start loading. It's going to bring you to this home screen. It says Joshua's Apple Watch. And if you scroll all the way to the top, there's a search bar. So, now that you're in the search bar, now that you're at home, in the home page, you can go to My Faces. Just click on any one of these faces, and it'll bring you there. You can also vertically scroll on them. You can also press Edit to add or remove any watch faces. You can also move their position so that they're easier to get to. Okay, now that you've done that and looked at all your watch faces, let's talk about some settings. So, open Settings. It's called General. About, my Apple Watch, capacity 4.2 gigabytes, all that amazing stuff. Software update. Be sure to update to the newest watchOS to have the best user experience. Do not disturb. Watch your orientation. This is amazing for changing which hand you want to use your watch on. Since I'm right-handed, I use mine on my left wrist, and I like my digital crown on the right side. Background app refresh, I have it on for everything. You can turn some of those off to save battery. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it'll have a section called Available Apps. This is at the home page, by the way. So these are all apps that you have downloaded on your phone, but you don't have on your Apple Watch, but they have available Apple Watch apps. I don't have any of these installed because my storage is running super low on my watch. So with that being said, why don't we talk about how to save some storage on your Apple Watch? An amazing way to save storage on your Apple Watch is simply by deleting apps. So as you saw before, I have all these apps that I don't use on my Apple Watch, so I deleted them. Stuff like Brain Pop and Breathe, I wouldn't use those on my watch, so I uninstalled them. Same with Apple Store, I could just use that on my phone. Spotify, I guess I could use that, but I use Apple Music now. So that's an amazing way to save storage. Now let's talk about passcodes. I have a passcode on my Apple Watch. Turn passcode on. I actually have mine on. Change password, wrist detection. So face gallery. This is an amazing way to look through all these amazing watch faces. So I have an Apple Watch Series 3, so it's not the best selection, but if you're on an Apple Watch Series 4 or later, there are going to be even more selections for you, including that Apple Watch SE. So there are a huge variety of just activity faces. You have activity analog with all the little rings, and then just activity digital. So then all these artist faces, these are the newest in watchOS 7. Astronomy, these are really cool. Moon, Earth, Breathe faces. These also have very cool animations, especially this one. Chronograph, an amazing way to time things and also look at the time at the same time. Color, just basic color faces. Fire and water, amazing. Kaleidoscope, you can actually customize these, but if you have photos downloaded to your watch, and it can turn into your photo. Liquid metal, 3 of those. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Modular, these are my favorite because they're just so customizable. I would probably choose this color. And now that we're here, let's talk about how to customize watch faces. So all you have to do to customize is scroll through this color wheel. I actually think I like the northern blue, which was the first option. Complications, top left, which is right here, which is the date right now. I don't really think I need the date, so I'm actually going to put my battery. I'm going to put my battery right there. In the middle, it has the weather. That actually kind of takes up a little bit of battery because it's always constantly uploading changing the weather. So I'm actually gonna have my workout. This is not actually my workout, it's just an example. It'll have your most recent workout and how many calories or miles you've gone. Bottom left, I don't really use Breathe unless it gives me a notification. So I'm actually gonna do make QR code, that's pretty cool. Actually, maybe I could use Timer. That's an amazing thing. So I have my activity rings at the bottom, and over there, I don't want to have my heart rate, so maybe I'll use, I'll use maybe some news. That looks like a pretty cool icon. Maybe messages so that I can see how many missing notifications I have. So you can also do a brighter color, mist blue, northern blue. I actually think I want a lighter color, like surf blue. That looks really good. And now all you have to do is press add and it'll watch to your face gallery. Another really cool thing is sharing watch faces. This is in watchOS 7, but in any OS you can do it from your phone. That'll bring you to the share tray. So now you can share it to anyone you want. I'm gonna share it to no one. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna share it to my friend, which is also a part of iHelp, and write a little message. Here is a watch face from me. And I'm gonna send a little emoji. And then send it. And then as soon as you go into messages, it'll be right there for you. And that's all. And then as soon as he clicks it, this is what he'll see. It'll bring him to the watch face, and then it'll have this amazing animation, add to my faces. Okay, so now I have this. I have a huge gallery of my faces. Since I'm gonna choose the ones that I don't really want. So I'm gonna go into edit and maybe remove this one. And I'm also gonna add another activity watch face just for a bumper in between them. I always like mine a little peachy color, orange. Top left conditions, I'm gonna do, those are weather conditions. Top right workout. This is exactly how I like mine. But yeah, show seconds, I always have that on. Press add, go to my faces, edit, and this is all you have to do. Move the sliding bar. That's all. So that's amazing. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions.